Where do I even begin? I mean, I've sat here for a while just thinking about how I could possibly put into words what you mean to me. I'm not gonna lie, it feels like an impossible task because, honestly, there are no words strong enough, no language rich enough to capture everything that you are. But here I am, trying my absolute best to put it into words because I need you to know, in the deepest way, how much you mean to me and how profoundly you've touched my life. From the very first moment we met, something inside me shifted. It was though like my soul recognized yours, like I'd been searching for you without even knowing it. You came into my life like a gentle breeze, effortlessly filling spaces in my heart that I didn't even know were empty. There's something natural about the way we connect, how our energies just seem to blend seamlessly into one another. It's almost as if we were meant to find each other in this humongous world. Two souls on separate journeys that somehow converged at just the right moment. I often think about the little moments we share, the way you laugh at my silly jokes, how your eyes light up when you're talking about the things you love. These moments, as small as they may seem, mean everything to me. You make the extraordinary even more extraordinary. And the simple things, like just sitting in silence together or holding hands, it feels like the most beautiful experiences life has to offer. You've got this incredible ability to make everything brighter, more vibrant, just by being you. When I think about you, I'm constantly in awe of your strength. You've got such a quiet, graceful strength that's so admirable. You handle life with such poise. Even when things get tough, there's a resilience in you that shines through in every challenge you face. And that strength inspires me more than you know. I love the way you carry yourself, the way you face obstacles head on without losing your sense of who you are. It makes me so proud to be by your side, to be able to witness firsthand just how remarkable you are. And it makes me so happy. But beyond your strength, there's a softness to you that I absolutely adore. It's in the way you care for others, the way you always put thought into the feelings of those around you. You've got such a kind and generous heart, always willing to give of yourself, always considering how you can make someone else's day a little better, a little brighter. That kind of love, that kind of selflessness, is something rare. And it's one of the many reasons why I'm so deeply in love with you. I've come to realize that love isn't just about big romantic gestures. It's also about the quiet, consistent acts that happen every day. It's in the way you check in on me, how you listen so intently when I speak, how you always seem to know when I need a little extra support or encouragement. I love how you take care of me, and I love how we take care of each other. How our love just isn't about passion and excitement, but also about trust, respect, and understanding. It's the kind of love that feels like home. It's the kind of love that made me who I am. I want you to know how incredibly grateful I am for you. You've brought so much joy and peace and stability into my life, more than I ever thought possible. Before you, I didn't fully understand what it meant to be truly seen, truly loved. But with you, I don't have to pretend or put on a front. I can just be me, flaws and all, and know that you accept me exactly as I am. That kind of acceptance, that kind of unconditional love, is something I never want to take for granted. You make me want to be a better person, not because you ask me to change, but because your love inspires me to grow. I want to be the best version of myself for you, because you deserve nothing less. All the devotion that this world has to offer, all the kindness, all the love, you deserve it. And I promise you, with everything in me, that I'll always strive to give you that. I'll love you in the way you deserve to be loved, fully, deeply, and with every part of who I am. You know, there's a certain magic in the way we are together, and I don't use that word lightly. But the truth is, we don't need to force anything or pretend to be something we're not. With you, everything feels so natural and effortless. It's like the universe knew exactly what it was doing when it brought us together. I often think about how lucky I am, how out of all the people in the world, it was you who found me. It feels like destiny, like we were always meant to cross paths, to share this life, this love. When I think about the future, it's impossible not to see you there, standing right beside me. I see us continuing to grow old together, continuing to build a life filled with love, laughter, and all the little moments that make this life so beautiful. I see us supporting each other through whatever comes our way, standing strong together no matter what life throws at us. I see us creating new memories, having new adventures, and cherishing every moment we share. And through it all, my love for you will only continue to deepen, because I know that the love we have is something special, something rare, something that's going to last a lifetime. I'm working on making you feel loved every single day. That's what I want. I want you to wake up every morning knowing just how important you are to me, how much I appreciate you and everything you do. I want you to feel my love, not just in words, but in my actions, in the way I care for you, and the way I show up for you, the way I'm always here, no matter what, and I'm not going anywhere. I love you more than I can ever fully express. You're the love of my life, my partner, my best friend, and my greatest joy. Thank you for being you. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for sharing your life with me. I'm so incredibly blessed to have you by my side. And I promise you, I'll spend every day making sure you feel as cherished and as loved as you truly are. With everything that I am and every fiber in my being, with all my love, I love you.